about her, she rings my bell. Got gym class in half an hour, oh how she rocks in Keds and tube socks. But she doesn't know who I am, and she doesn't give a damn about me, 'cause I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Yeah, I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Listen to Iron Maiden, baby, with me. Ooh. Her boyfriend's a dick, and he brings a gun to school, and he'd simply kick my ass if he knew the truth. He lives on my block, he drives an IROC. He doesn't know who I am, and he doesn't give a damn about me, 'cause I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Yeah, I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby. Listen to Iron Maiden, baby, with me. Ooh. I say yeah, dirtbag. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. I say yeah, dirtbag. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. Man, I feel like Mo. It's prom night and I am lonely, lo and behold, she's walking over to me. This must be fate. My lips start to shake. How does she know who I am? And why does she give a damn about me? Got 2 tickets to Iron Maiden, baby. Come with me Friday, don't say maybe. I'm just a teenage dirtbag, baby, like you. Ooh. I say yeah, dirtbag. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. I say yeah, dirtbag. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. Yeah, yeah. What a tune this one is! Hi, it's Justin back with you today to check out Teenage Dirtbag by Wheatus. Man, this brings back loads of fun memories of my early 20s playing this in cover bands. Really fun song, very distinctive kind of strumming pattern. It's mostly power chords all the way through, a little bit of riffy stuff as well. Let's get to a close-up and check it out. So the chords we need for the front are an E chord, just regular old open E. We need a B power chord, but we're going to leave the thinnest 2 strings open. Just make sure you mute that thicker string with the tip of your first finger there, that's important. And then we also need an A sus2 chord, okay, which is just like a regular A but with the open B string again. So the chords, it's going E to B, E to A. Her name is Noel, and I have a dream about her. She rings my bell. Got gym class in half an hour, oh how she rocks in Keds and tube socks. But she doesn't. Now this is a C sharp power chord. It ends up being a C sharp minor because the minor third of the chord is the open string. So it's a C sharp minor 7, I guess technically it would be called. She doesn't A sus2 who I be. 2 bars there. And she doesn't give a damn about me. So that's the chords, but the distinctive thing in this track is definitely that rhythm. As soon as you hear If you're familiar with the song, you'll be like, oh yeah, okay, it's Teenage Dirtbag, that's what's playing. It's just really distinctive. Great pattern, actually. Really like it. I'm putting a kind of a heavy little click down here as well, which I don't really hear on the original recording, but if you play it on an acoustic guitar by yourself, I think it works really well. Key thing here with the count, technically, it's the last 16th note of beat 4, so 4E and a 1 and 2E and a 3 and 4E and a 1 and 2E and a 3 and 4E and a 1, 2E and a 3. But to be honest, trying to count that is probably harder than just thinking up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, hit, up, down, down, click, up, down, down, click, up, down, down, click, up, down, down, click. Now sometimes I find myself in the habit of going up, down, click, up, down, click, up, down, up. I don't think that's what's on the record, and I don't think it sounds as good. Maybe I played it that way years and years ago, and sometimes I slip into doing that. But the correct pattern, definitely up, down, click, up, down, click. With the click, remember, it's not this hand, okay? It's all this hand. I've got lessons on it as part of the Grade 3 series over on my website. If you're not sure how to do the percussive hit, that's what you want to be looking for. It's the outside part of the palm goes down first, and then the click. It's nothing to do with muting with this hand, okay? You can mute with that hand as like a backup, but the key thing there is getting that click here with that part of the hand, okay? Once you've got that, you're going for the E chord, and you go up, down, click. Change chord to the B. Up, down, click. Back to the E, to the A. Up, down, click. Up, down, click. Up, down. I would recommend practicing it on just one chord first of all. Just do it on the E and go up, down, click. Up, down, click. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4. And 3, and 4. Gotta get that down first of all. When you're ready, E, B, E to A. So let's put the strumming now into context. The intro starts with just the chords. So 3, 4, 1, 2. Her name is Noel, and I have a dream about her. She rings my bell. It's the same chord progression right the way through this verse. Part of the verse, that was a good rhyme. C sharp to A going to B, and C sharp doesn't give an A to be about me, 'cause I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby. We're into the next section. So this is E, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and this is an A. I tend to play a big A there because I want the chorus to lift up a little bit more. So I'm playing the full E to A to B. Now with the B bar chord, that's the way I teach it with the third finger. I often do this because my little finger is just the right length to sit on the strings and then get weighed in on top of by the third finger. I'm not really sure I recommend that as a way to do it. It's how I do it quite often, but it's just because it keeps my hand in a smoother position. Here my knuckles have to move down, and as I'm getting older, I'm getting lazier, I guess. But anyway, so E, I'm just a chord, B chord, baby. Now this is a C sharp power chord, just a 2-note one, to a G sharp. So it's 4th fret on the 5th string, 6th fret on the 4th string, 4th fret on the thicker string, and 6th fret on the 5th string. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2, and okay, a little bit of a 2-4 bar there. Okay, so just where it's doing the going back into the next verse, there's that little extra that's just an A to a B. Okay, same idea, C sharp, G sharp, A, B. put it into context again. So I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby. I'm just a teenage dirtbag baby. Listen to Iron Maiden, baby, with me. Ooh. Then we're into the second verse. Second verse exactly the same as the first verse. Second chorus exactly the same as the last one. Same chorus progression. But then we're into the... I say yeah, dirtbag. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. E, A. E, A. This is A sus2, of course. So E, and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and up. So I'm going 1 and 2 and. So I'm putting a little mute there. 1 and 2 and on 2. Just do a little touch. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and up. Down, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Just that's an example. Then that same little riff that we had at the end of the chorus. C sharp, G sharp, A, B. C, yeah, dirtbag. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. I see, yeah, dirtbag. No, she doesn't know what she's missing. And then we're back into another verse. Now this one, essentially the same, it's just a little bit quieter. On the original recording, the production is stripped right back, so it's just the guitar there. If you're playing it on your own, maybe just drop it back and try and play a little softer. You probably still want the... But just try and bring it down a little bit, because you want that dynamic shift there at that point for it to drop down. At the end of that one, though, it changes, and it's where the girl vocal comes in on the original, or the falsetto voice. So just that last little bit going into the new part. So, and how does she know who I am? And why does she give a damn about me? Got 2 tickets to Iron Maiden, baby. E chord to A chord, B chord, C sharp, G sharp, listen to Iron dirtbag, baby, like you. Ooh. I say yeah. So this part's just really heavily muted power chords. E, listen to Iron Maiden, baby. E, 2 and A, B, riff. E, A, B, C sharp, G sharp, last time A, B, riff with the extended. C, dirtbag, and it just does this twice at the ending. This is the second time. Dirtbag, no, she doesn't know what she's missing. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay, so it's exactly the same as the intro or whatever. And it goes through once with the scat vocal. The second time, it's a little bit of what we call a rall, which means a gradual slowing down. And then to an A, G sharp, F sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E. and that is the whole tune. Of course, if you were playing it in a band, you'd probably want to arrange it for acoustic guitar and electric guitar, with the acoustic guitar doing all of those verse parts and it coming in kind of heavy in the chorus. Obviously, it's a little bit of a drama to try and teach it that way, so I've done it all on the acoustic guitar. I think it works great on acoustic guitar. I've played this at stacks of parties and had a real good fun sing-along. This is a great sing-along tune to play at a party. So definitely one I'd recommend to pop in your repertoire list. It's not a particularly difficult one to remember. The sections are all the same each time, so once you've learned the bits, it's relatively easy to pop it out. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this lesson. Remember, there are hundreds more songs over on the website, all graded by difficulty, depending on what you want to learn, or what chords you know, or what styles you like, or what bands you like. You can check it all out over there, justinguitar.com/songs, and loads of lessons to support the stuff. If you don't know how to do your power chords, or you're struggling with the muted percussive hit, that kind of thing, or any of the rhythm things, there are lessons for all of those things as well. Do go and check it out if you haven't been over on a while. We've made loads of progress the last year or so. Anyway, have yourself a fantastic day, and I'll see you for plenty more very soon. Bye bye.